Hey guys, I hope everyone's doing well, staying warm. It's actually getting warmer here in Louisiana. We're expecting lots of rain Friday, starting tomorrow, but mostly Friday. So for you guys, stay warm, stay safe, and for everyone here, stay dry. Anyway, you guys, this is a tragic story coming out of Buffalo, New York. It's being reported by several publications, but this is from people.com online, People Magazine online. Just a sad situation. Woman 22 dies after getting trapped in her car for 18 hours during blizzard. She was scared. Andell Taylor, 22, of Charlotte, was traveling home from work in Buffalo, New York, when she became stuck, her family told a local news station. So, from what I know about this, this young lady was from Charlotte, North Carolina, and she'd gone to Buffalo to help her father who had become ill. And so she went there to be there for him. And she was a nursing assistant on her way home from work. And that is why she was in Buffalo helping her father. A North Carolina woman is among the victims who died during the historic blizzard that impacted the Buffalo area of New York over the holiday weekend. Andell Taylor, 22, of Charlotte, was traveling home from work in Buffalo when her car became stuck in the snow, her family told ABC affiliate WSOC-TV. Taylor's family believes she was trapped inside her car for 18 hours before she died, per the report. Her death comes shortly before her 23rd birthday. There's been a lot of crying, Shaniqua Brown, Taylor's sister, told the outlet. Taylor is one of at least 27 people in Buffalo that died as a result of the storm. At least 50 people have died nationwide. On Monday, New York's Erie County Executive Mark Palankars said some people died as emergency responders experienced storm-related delays while trying to reach those who were stranded amid frigid temperatures. Taylor's family believes she is one of those victims, WSOC reported. They said she had called 911 when her car got stuck in the snow, but that help never came. I feel like everybody that tried to get to her got stuck. So everybody who was trying to get to her, her family says they were all, they were stuck. They couldn't get to her. Tamisha Brown, Taylor's sister, told the outlet. Fire department, police, everybody got stuck. Taylor told her family in a group chat that the snow was accumulating quickly and shared video footage of snow covering her car windows, according to the WSOC report. She was telling my sister that she was scared, Brown said. Wanda Brown Steele, Taylor's mother, told the outlet that her daughter intended to walk home after sleeping in her car during the storm. She believes Taylor died of carbon monoxide poisoning. The car was running and the snow was still coming, so it blocked the pipes, the exhaust pipes, Steele said, per the report. After the car cut off, she added, that's when she iced up. More than $15,000 has been raised via GoFundMe for Taylor's family in the wake of the 22-year-old's sudden death. As you may all know, one of my daughters, our sister, your friend, has passed away by accident in a blizzard that occurred in Buffalo, New York, December 23rd and 24th. Taylor's sister wrote on the fundraising site. She was stuck in her car for hours, days, which caused the snow to continue to build up on her car, causing her to be unable to get out. We are currently trying to put services together to say our final goodbyes. Anything and everything you assist us with, added Shaniqua Brown, will be greatly appreciated. So they didn't give the link to the GoFundMe, but I guess you guys can go look for it. Let me click on this and see if this is the link, you guys. Yes, I'm gonna put the link in the description box for you guys if you would like to go and give for the funeral services of this young lady. I'm seeing that they have raised $32,114 so far as of today. And their goal was $12,000. So they went above and beyond their goal. Anyway, still, if you want to donate, go ahead and do so. Let's send our heartfelt condolences to this family. And let's pray for her mother, her sisters, her father, everyone in her family who are feeling so hurt, who are missing her. They are, could you imagine? I couldn't imagine losing a family member in a blizzard. You start to, think about what they were feeling. But as her mom said, she died of carbon monoxide poisoning, which basically just puts you asleep. It makes you fall asleep. And then when the car shut off, that's when her body froze. But she didn't freeze to death. She fell asleep. And it is odorless. And, it's reported that it's painless. You just go to sleep. But even so, thinking about how she passed away has to hurt so much, because it was so sudden and she was so young. And as I've told you guys, I lost my brother when he was only 24 years old, very suddenly. And I'm not going to go through that story again, but it was sudden. It still is painful. It's almost 30 years now that he's gone. And he was my older brother. He was an awesome, amazing person. You never, ever get over something like that, especially when it's such a young person who has their entire life ahead of them. And that love never, ever, ever goes away, you guys. I swear it grows. The more you think about what they could have been, because they were such good people. And her family has spoken on videos about how amazing and kind she was. And just the fact that she left her home and left Charlotte, North Carolina, and went to Buffalo, New York to care for her father, it actually backs up what they say, that she was a good and kind person. And she was the youngest in their family. So it has to hurt like hell. Let's really, really keep this family. Let's not say we're praying. Let's actually pray for them. So you guys, I'll see you in the next video.